What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunna Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, we about to get to it. Might step outside, might catch me a floozy, you know what I'm saying? Hey, well, we're going to talk about drip. Man, we got some huge Splassive news, all that, man. But you know, first, before we do all that, Alright, I'm ready now, baby. Woo, let's get to it, baby. Let's get to it. Alright, first of all, we got drip. We're gonna start with the old big account. Let me explain something to you right quick. People are still joining this team, right? Now, this is a good thing about drip. This is a good thing, right? Check this out. People still joining this team. I'm over 10,000 now. People on this team. But guess what? I get none of this referral. None of this goes back into the deposit and get paid out. This goes back into drip. Nobody gets it. Nobody gets a referral on these people coming in, right? So you got people looking at old videos and using the, my old drip account coming in, and it's going back into drip. Nobody's getting paid on no 365% getting paid on that. So that's a great thing for drip. You know what I'm saying? Some people be mad about that, not me. My concern is the longevity of the platform. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's keep it moving, baby. Let's get over here to the garden. We got the piggy bank. I think the piggy bank credits thing, I think it ended yesterday. So they're working on the we'll go check on that too to make sure that it ended. Because they gave it an extra 24 hours. So we got another what, $1,300 over here. You know what we finna do, man. That's what we got. Where we at? We over 10,000. We got what, 12,500 now? And I started very small in this compound over here. I started very small in the garden, bro. I should have went way harder than I did. I should have went way harder than I did, bro. But I didn't. You know what I'm saying? Cause I was harder than the minor, the manifold. That's why I made my money, boy. Good. Ooh, I missed the manifold, boy. Bring back the manifold. That thing was 14 days, man. I made woo. Whew. Anyway, let's see what it's gonna take me to. Let me see. Compound successful. Come on now. Come on. Give me, come on now. Give me plants, baby. There we go. I'm over 13,000 now. That's that, baby. So let's check this page credit. Oh, let's see. Of course, I've already sent mine, so I guess it's still live though. So come check it, man. They extended it because some people still haven't sent them. Like, oh my God, you can't help people, bro. People gonna be complaining, man, I didn't get to see what happened. Forex stole my liquidity, stole my pig and all that, man. But I tell you, I love crypto, but I love it. But anyway, let's keep it moving, baby. Let me switch accounts right quick. Bam. Get to the small team, baby. You see what I'm saying? But we got what? Ooh, we got almost 16,000 in the pot, baby. We got almost 16,000 in the pot. I could take that, put it in my pocket, but no. You know what I'm finna do? I'm finna hydrate. I don't care what the price of drip is. I'm finna hydrate. Hopefully they're gonna take me over the 17,000 more. Y'all see me do it. Y'all see me do it, bro. Let me calm these folk down right in this telegram. They're going crazy today. What y'all talking about? That out of the way. Let's get back to it. Boom. All right. Let's go and hydrate this right quick. That's about what, 2 days worth. See that? I don't be coming in here every day claiming and withdrawing, claiming and selling. No, I only get 160 something a day. I got almost 400. That's 2 days worth of payment that I'm about to hydrate. You see, y'all be following these people trying to do fake videos and all this FUD video. Are they hydrating? Yeah, ha 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 he. Are you hydrating? Stunna hydrating. Are you? Huh? Ask them that. Let's see what we got here, baby. Come on, man. What we gonna do, baby? Give me the finger. Come on. Give me the finger. Come on now. There we go. Bam. Let's get it. 16,000, baby. Come on, baby. Do me right. Success. Over 17,000. You see it. You seen me do it, baby. And my next goal, 18,000. Huh? And still got my little 900 over here. I had over 1,000, but I've been doing airdrop, baby. Let me show you, boy. I still been doing airdrop. Even though if I don't do a video, I still do airdrop. Did them back to back. You know what I'm saying? Did them back to back, baby. You see it. You see it. 1 day ago, which was 2 days ago, actually. Drip airdrop time, still helping out the community. Then I went back to back with a surprise airdrop, baby. You see it? You see it. See if your address is here. Some of y'all might not even be following me. But it's cool. I still give away the money to the people. That's what I do. I'm hydrating and giving away money. I ain't, man, hey, man, what you want me to say? Just old crypto Robin Hood, right? I'm the drip Robin Hood. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, let's get over to Splassive, see what they talking about even. Get on over here to AVAX, see what they talking about. Bam! Got the new UI, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hey, they beat Drip to the punch. No, I'm just kidding. You know, Drip already, that UI already done. But, you know, Forex, hey, he got a whole thing coming, boy. He got a whole relaunch coming and all that carrying on. So he already done it. But, you know, hey, Splassive ain't got nothing else to do. They ain't got no ecosystem going yet. So they do what they do. But I keep it real. What you want me to say? I keep it real, man. They ain't got no farm and no piggy bank and all that, no drip garden and all that Forex doing. So things take a little more time on Drip. You know what I'm saying? But they doing it. And it's happening today, I think at 3 o'clock. This is what's happening. Y'all already know about that, man. But anyway, this is what's happening. 24-hour launch event. No fees on buys, no fees on deposits, no fees on compounds. So you can roll, you can put whatever you got loose into I'm about to say the faucet, into the tap, and you can buy fresh Splassive with no fees for 24 hours. So I don't know how that's going to work. I think it's a great thing. Now, I don't know if Forex can do that. I don't know if he can go in there and change the code or whatever like that. I don't know. So maybe there's something different that the Splassive people change in the code from Drip, because it is on AVAX. So I don't know. That's why I be telling people it's different. Oh, let me tell you this before I forget. If you are building a team, or if you're referring somebody or anything like that, you have to have these waves. Like this is the B reap. This is the B reap of Splassive. You have to hold these wave tokens in order to get your rewards for your referrals. So come up here and click buy waves. I don't want to forget that. For you white paper people, you want to read the white paper, be asking me I don't read no white paper, bro. Here it is right here. Have fun. Put your reading glasses on, put them on the tip of your big ass nose and read it. I'm not reading that. They're going to tutorial, man. You can do all that. I ape in and hope for the best, bro. That's hey, man. Come on, bro. Y'all know how we do it over here. Hey, come on, bro. So they got the splash pad. I don't know what that is. Let me hit that. Let me see what that is. Oh, coming soon. That's why. Coming soon. The splash pad. I don't know. It might come. It might not. You know what I'm saying? I have to give it to you both sides, guys. You know, this stuff is still high risk, but they doing it. You know what I'm saying? Now here's the new UI. Here it is. So you come over here, the price already going up. I'm not gonna get me a couple. You know what I'm saying? Why? I'm not gonna buy me some more, bro. I think that price gonna hit over $40. I think so. It might not. Some people, buy the news, say the rumor. It's the rumor, so they might start selling. I gotta tell you both ways. I'm objective. I gotta tell you. But I believe, it's a no fees on buy. So what? People are gonna buy. Imagine if it's no fees on Drip for 24 hours. The price gonna shoot up because people are gonna buy. But it also I'm trying to think. If you have no fees on the buys, and then after the 24 hours, people want to sell. But then when they sell, they got to pay the fee. That's kind of brilliant, right? I could be wrong. But if you buy with no fee, and then 24 hours later, you trying to dump the price or whatever, you want to get but you got to pay that 10% fee to sell. So that's good, ain't it? I guess. I don't know, bro. No fees on deposits and no fees on compound, right? So, and now this is the new UI. And all this right here, this is your buy and sell. And this is more important, is the tap, what the tap looking like. Okay, so this is your available, this is your deposit claim. You know what I'm saying? It's all right. I ain't all that. You know, I don't like the colors. You know, it's a little dull. I'm just saying. Hey, I'm just keeping it real, bro. It's a little dull. You know what I'm saying? Don't pop. It don't make me want to come back. You know what I'm saying? But it pay 2% a day. They keep doing that. Hey, good with me. You know what I'm saying? But I don't, you know, the UI ain't, but it just don't pop, man. Like, turn the lights on. Turn the, the haze. It like got a haze over it or something. And maybe that's what they're going for. But it's a different, you know, sometimes different is good. People like different. But it's still the same thing. Available deposit claim, rewarded, max payout, and team. Still the same. They just blocked up. You can manage down here. So you can't really see the compound and claim. You can't see it. Come on, guys. You got the deposit right here. Bam, bam. You got the, you know, put your referral in here. Whoever you want to be. You can be me or whatever. Whoever you want to be your referral. And paste it in. Update. Right? Same thing with Drip. You can look up a player and see your directs and how much airdrops you got it received and all that carrying on. And the airdrop, I love the airdrop feature because when you do a team airdrop over here, you only have to hit one button. But let me tell you now, you're gonna have to now listen. You're gonna have to have 25 splash to get the airdrop. They got no fees on buys, so you got no excuse. I don't want to hear it, bro. 25. I keep saying I want to say Drip so bad. 25 splash, bro. Come on now. Now, what you doing? You in or you out? You know what I'm saying? Like, we ain't got time to be playing around and holding hands. You in or you out, bro. So that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? You come look, well, you can't look at it because only a few of us got the site right now. But when it's time, they'll launch it. You know what I'm saying? And I hope Forex could do something like this. You know what I'm saying? Maybe have I don't want to give up all my ideas, but, you know, maybe he can do this. I don't care. They stole his idea. It's still there. All is fair in crypto, baby. You know what I'm saying? So imagine the Drip, the biggest community that's in DeFi, have a no fees on buys day. No fees on deposits. No fees on Hydrate. I'm with it. You with it? I don't know. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.